Action!
Welcome to Katie and Nevergood Stop presentation. Today we have crayons and stuffed animals.
This and that's Stephanie.
Our first segment is about crayons.
Crayons. There's
Orange! Green, yellow, red, and
Crayons. Okay.
moving on.
Our next segment is dogs.
By the way.
Ugly dogs.
I don't think this broken.
When you have a boyfriend,
like 2 days before Christmas, this is what they get you. They are physically incapable of buying a good-looking animal.
Shame.
You have to delete that. This is what he gave her for Christmas.
oh my god, what is that?
Yes, you need to delete this. Time for dance parties! Okay, anyway. This is her Christmas present. Imagine what her birthday present looks like. Hey! You're deleting this. You're deleting. That's what happens when you don't go like this when somebody burps. Katie!